So next question is how to join two streams. So this is one of the tricky one because most of the times we have worked with one stream, but hardly we'll get chance to work with two streams. So here the expectation is we have to merge or join two streams into single stream. So let's see how to do it. So let us try to understand how to join two streams. So here I have created two lists, list one and list two. So expectation is I have to create two streams out of it and merge it into single stream, and let's print the result. So the expected outcome is a stream, and we are using two lists of integer. So final one will contain list. So let's name maybe combined streams, and let's see how to do it. In case of stream, right, there is a method called concat. What this concat does, it is used to merge the two streams. So here I'm taking first stream, and here I'll take the second stream, and boom. This will basically merge both the streams into single stream. So let's try to see the output also. Combine streams, as we already did, where values for each, and sys out, and I think that's it. So this will print the uh, final merge stream result. Yeah, you can see all the numbers from two lists are combined and printed here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you understood how to join two streams. This is important for the next question also. So I hope you understood how to do it. Let's move on to the next question.